Melanie has spoken out on the video of her rolling her eyes at Kenzie. I saw a video that showed the final four couples trying to guess who said some of the most iconic lines from the series, including "Sugar is my right girl, spice is my left girl." When the quote came up, the editors showed Melanie rolling her eyes before guessing Kenzie, and viewers immediately started saying it wasn't just a joke. Honestly, I can understand why people connected the dots. What stood out to me is that Kenzie follows Melanie on Instagram, but Melanie still doesn't follow her back. On top of that, Kenzie previously admitted on a podcast that she felt frustrated by how much screen time Melanie got, so there's already a bit of history there. I also think it's interesting that other Islanders have made a little comments about Kenzie since leaving the villa. To me, that's why people are starting to wonder if more happened behind the scenes than viewers ever got to see. Now Melanie has commented herself. Underneath the post about the rumors, she said, "Everyone loves turning everything I do into unnecessary drama." I can understand why she'd want to shut the rumors down, but I still think it seems pretty obvious that they're not okay. But before you go, I want to know, do you think Melanie and Kenzie have genuinely fallen out, or are fans reading way too much into it?